Hi, I am Rahul and today we are going to discuss chapter 3rd poem Rain on the Roof. Guys, I want to tell you the summary of this chapter stanza wise. I hope that you are going to understand all those chapters which I have already uploaded on YouTube, my channel. And those who have not subscribed my channel yet, you subscribe it. And if you have any comment, you can put that in the comment box. Here we start. So stanza first of this poem is: when the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So guys, the poet wants to tell that here, two words are here. I want to tell you the meaning. That humid means something that is having moisture. Melancholy is upset, sad. Starry spheres means, the sky full of stars. So here the poet tells that when the humid shadows are there, when the clouds are there in the sky, having humid, it means the sense that having rain full of water, clouds, when they move there in the sky, and melancholy darkness. Dark is the symbol of melancholy here, which shows that the dark is sad. The dark, when the night is there, when it is time of night, there is what? Darkness. That shows what? Sadness. So guys, here at that time, huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky. They move around in the sky, and sad darkness of the night which wiped off by the raindrops. जो कि रेन ड्रॉप से क्या होते हैं? फील्ड होते हैं, रेन ड्रॉप होते हैं उसमें, उन बादलों में, और वो आकाश में मूव करते हैं. एंड इट इज द डार्क स्काई विच सिम्स टू बी वेरी सैड, जो कि बहुत ही उदास होता है, बहुत ही यहाँ पे दैट शोज दैट वेरी मेलंकोली डार्कनेस इज देयर, वेरी सैडनेस इज देयर, so much sadness. And he adds that, the poet adds that it is a like Abel's Pinto lie on the bed in his room, and he just lies on the bed, which is listen to sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. And when there are raindrops on the roof, when there is falling of the raindrops on the roof, something we discuss in the stanza 2. So it was the stanza 1, now stanza 2. So in stanza 2, guys, it is given that every tinkle on the shingles, every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections wave their air threads into roof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here the poet says that every tinkle, every drop of the rain when it comes on the shingle means shade made of tin, and that makes an echo in the heart. When there is the falling of that drop, when there is falling of all those drops on the shingle, on the shade, on the roof, they create the echo in the heart of the poet, and 1,000 dreamy fancies, and they also bring many of the dreams. Fancies means imaginations, बहुत सारी कल्पनाएं, बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स वो पोएट के दिमाग में क्या होते हैं, आते हैं. and 1,000 recollections, the poet also remembers about the past. All the recollections, all the memories, they also come in the mind of the poet when every drop of the rain that fall on the shingle, on the roof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the रूफ। जब जब वो सुनते हैं बारिश की वो बूंद, जब वो छत के ऊपर अपना पैटर करती है, गिरने के बाद आवाज आता है, तो that something happens in the heart of the poet and that creates something recollection and the dreams which come in the mind of poet. Now we move to the third stanza of the poem. Here third stanza is, guys, third stanza here is now in memory comes my mother. The poet tells that now in the memory of the poet there comes his mother, and she used in years agone, she has passed away, but to regard the darling dreamers, or she left them till the dawn. And she is there, she comes in the dream of the poet, and dawn here means the time of morning, almost we tell भोर का समय जो होता है, that is called here dawn. और वो फिर dawn तक the mother of the poet, she is there in the dream of poet up to the dawn, till dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me. She watches, she just get a look on the poet, and which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. और ये सिर्फ इसलिए होता है कि वो only due to the बारिश की बूंदें जो कि छत के ऊपर आती हैं और टिप 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 करके, यह पैटर करके, पैटर मीन्स टिप 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 टिप, वो जो साउंड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम द रेन फॉल, and only because of that patter of the rain which come on the roof of the poet house. So here many of the things we have discussed, many of the words are there which we have to discuss. So I want to tell you that refrain is given here, that a repeated part of a song or a poem. Yeah, the poet, the way he explains all these things, that how due to the raindrops, when the falling of the raindrops are there on the shingle, on the roof, when the patter of the rain that comes, and only due to that there is the recollection, there is the coming of the memories, dreams in the mind of the poet. So guys, it was the summary of Rain on the Roof, and many of the literary devices are used here, like as alliteration. Yeah, so alliteration, you all know that, being busy, yeah, all these things, their thread, these are the words of alliteration. Personification is there. So these are the things which are used in this poem Rain on the Roof. Two questions which are important from the exam point of view I want to discuss there. What does the poet like to do when it rains? So when it rains, the poet likes to lay in bed and hear the rain falling on the roof of his room, of his house. तो पोएट क्या चाहते हैं? पोएट अपना जो बारिश हो तब वो चाहते हैं कि वो बेड पे सोए रहें, और जो बारिश की बूंदें हैं वो जब उनके छत पे आए, तो जब वो एक पैटर करे, देन he could listen and he can imagine something, the memories of the past. What is the single major memory that comes to the poet? Yeah, so the poet has memories of his beloved mother that comes, we have discussed in the third stanza of this poem. When he was a child, and she would put him and his siblings to bed and allowed him to sleep till late, and that dream that comes in the mind of poet. And is the poet now a child? So we can say no, now the poet is not a child, he is an adult, and his mother is not alive anymore. Thank you very much. If you have any question, query, you can ask me, you can put that in the comment box. Okay, I will upload other chapters. Okay, bye.